Hello, and welcome OneSource web users. In this video, we are going to demo just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the power of save lists. Picture your favorite music playlist consisting of all your top jams. Now picture having the same ease of accessibility, but with your everyday electrical supply needs. Behold, the streamlined power of the Product Save List. Here at OneSource, we carry thousands upon thousands of SKUs. In some cases, one item comes in multiple brands or bylines. That being said, we usually like one more than the other, either due to quality, price point, or something along those lines. With Product Save List, you can take OneSource's thousands of SKUs and funnel them down to specifically your favorite go-tos. If you have multiple users under an account, you can now structure and control their buying habits. Also, no need to freestyle search items one at a time. Think about the time savings there alone. Now let's dive in and take a look at one of our pre-made product lists. First, we're going to look at a generic 100 amp home line list. What's really cool about this is we set it up by how you would install it from top to bottom. You can see the job come together as you scroll down. Now, this is just an example to plant the seed. If you followed your breadcrumb trail and click My Product List, it would take you back to your list that has already been added to your customized account dashboard. Under where it says Create New Product Lists, if you select Explore Suggested Product Lists, you would be able to see some of the pre-made templates that we went ahead and already created for you. You'll see the commodity sheet, which we'll dive into in just a moment. You'll also see things along the lines of EV charging installation, which is all the rage right now. Everything you would need to install your EV charger at home would be located in this convenient list. Let's take it back to the commodity sheet for a second. Again, by navigating our breadcrumb trail, we could easily go back to our product list. Click into the commodity sheet, which has already been loaded to this account. And now, unlike those commodity sheets you may be used to in the past, that you would receive on Monday, and by Wednesday the pricing would have changed drastically, you now have the ability to have a commodity sheet at your fingertips every time you log in, that's daily updated and specifically tied to your account pricing. Another really cool feature of having this commodity sheet is you can search within the list itself. If you wanted to look at PVC, for example, you can go into Search PVC, and everything PVC related would immediately pop up from within this list. The same would work with EMT and any items that would be located normally in the commodity sheet that you'd be used to receiving. Again, let's take it back to our account dashboard. With one easy click, we're right back to our account dashboard. These are just a few ways that you could use product lists that would best benefit your business model. Now, what's easier than being able to find these product lists? Creating them. Any old quote or order that we have in our system, you can easily go in and with just a click, turn it into a product list. For example, I just went into a recent quote. If you scroll down to the bottom of your quote, or order for that matter, you'll see Add Items to Product List. If you have existing product lists on your dashboard, you could easily add them to a pre-made list, or you can create a new product list straight from here. You'd select Create New Product List, name your product list. I'm just going to call this one Truck Stock. Note where it says Product List is visible to. Only me would mean the user who is specifically creating this list, but if you have multiple users on an account and you want everyone to access this list, you would select My Company. Now everyone with credentials to access your account would be able to view this list. You would scroll to the bottom of the list, hit Create, and just like that, by navigating back to your account dashboard, you will see the truck stock product list was made. That took just a few moments. Think about it. Within minutes, you can have a customized library of lists that will immediately improve the efficiency of your day-to-day ordering needs. If you have any additional questions on how product lists can best benefit you, please do not hesitate to reach out to OneSource's digital support team. Thank you for watching.